In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to eBay in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to dropshipping or looking to streamline your existing operations, this step-by-step guide will make integrating these platforms a breeze. So, let's dive right in and get everything set up. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both cjdropshipping.com and eBay. If you haven't created these accounts yet, go ahead and do that now. It's crucial to properly set up an account on each platform because these accounts will serve as the backbone of your dropshipping business. You'll be interacting with both platforms regularly, so establishing these connections is a vital first step. Now, once you've got your accounts ready, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your CJ Dropshipping account. Head over to cjdropshipping.com and use your credentials to sign in. This will take you to your dashboard, the control panel where you'll manage your dropshipping activities. Familiarizing yourself with the layout here will be helpful as you continue to grow your business. Once you're in the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, look for the authorization section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to connecting your eBay store. It's usually visible in the main navigation menu or under account settings, so keep an eye out for it as you scroll through. Clicking on authorization will expand your options for integrating various platforms with CJ Dropshipping. In the authorization area, find and click on the option to add or connect an eBay store. You'll want to ensure you're following the steps precisely so that both platforms can communicate effectively. Clicking this option will automatically redirect you to eBay's login page. Here, simply enter your eBay account email and password. This process authorizes CJ Dropshipping to access your store, facilitating a seamless flow of information between the two services. After entering your eBay credentials, you'll need to confirm the authorization. This step is crucial as it formally links your eBay store with your CJ Dropshipping account, allowing you to import products, manage orders, and more. Ensure that all details provided are correct and that you understand what permissions you're granting. And just like that, you're done. With your eBay store successfully linked to CJ Dropshipping, you can now start taking advantage of all the features that this integration has to offer. From smoother order fulfillment to efficient product management, you're well on your way to optimizing your dropshipping business. Remember, having both these platforms working hand in hand can save you a ton of time and increase your efficiency, allowing you to focus on growing your business instead of managing complex operations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy dropshipping!